My name is Christian. I'm a fitness and health instructor and a personal trainer. And I'm also a student currently majoring in industrial engineering. And I'm going to finish my studies at the end of this year, hopefully. You can imagine, as an industrial engineer, I get taught a lot about efficiency and effectiveness. And over the last 2 and 3 years, I try to find ways how to incorporate efficiency and effectiveness into my own health, into my own fitness. I found that there are 3 major things that are involved in improving the fitness and health and to reach every fitness and health goal. And I want to talk about this and present you the 3 pillars today. Before I get into the 3 pillars, I want to ask, who of you values health? Please raise your hand. Nice. Okay, second question. Who has at least once in their life experienced joy after exercising? Awesome. That's good. So, who of you is exercising on a regular basis and following a detailed and structured plan backed by a clear and defined goal? The first pillar, ladies and gentlemen, is a structured workout plan. What am I training? How am I training? When am I training? This is the first important pillar. Every workout which is not planned and documented is a waste.
Thank you.
Period. Period. Now,
4 years wasted.
all right. There is hope. There is hope. So, second pillar, nutrition. Let me tell you one thing. The quality of the things that you put into your body will affect how you work out, how you work out, how you feel during workout, and how you recover, which is one of the major facts. The nutrition. Now, can someone guess what's the third pillar?
Sleep.
Sleep, okay.
Rest.
Rest. Maybe I mentioned recovery already. That's sleep as well. Mindset.
Beer. Meditation.
The third pillar is clear and defined goals. What do you truly want? When do you want to reach this goal? So clear and precise goals of those to answer those questions. What do you want? When do you want to reach it? And most importantly, what am I going to do? Or what am I willing to do? I recommend to write a whole page of one goal answering those 3 questions. Yeah. Now, those 3 pillars, they interact and they correlate with each other. And they're like floating around, so we need a foundation. And the foundation is habits. And you saw it as well, so how can we create those habits that we need? And it's important to know that the cortex is, as mentioned before, responsible for all those to learn skills when we actively need to learn something new. And the Kleinhirn or cerebellum is necessary for those habits. So we need to try to find ways how to get from the cortex to the cerebellum, right? And this to form habits. And we reach this by imagining a path through the snow with footsteps. And the more we walk the same path, the clearer the path goes, and the easier it gets for us to do those things. We form habits. And what would be a house without a roof? Accomplishments and the consistent feedback of what we reach, which motivates us and keeps us going. I'm not a fan of motivation, I'm more a fan of discipline, doing the things that we know need to do because we believe that it will bring us the goals that we want. Thank you very much. open to questions. I think you were first. Yeah.
Me? When was the last time you worked out?
I did today almost 100k bike ride to the Starnberger See and back.
Okay, wait. What was your precise goal then?
My precise goal is to make it. I'm normally not a biker, but yeah.
So in terms of actual fitness, what type of exercise do you prefer? Like body weight or free weights or machines?
I like body weight exercises and full body exercises, like those main exercises like deadlift, squats, deadlifts, and bench press. So if you focus on this, even with light weights, you do the best for your body because you train a lot of muscles while training. Yeah. So the main exercise which train the whole body. Yes?
I'd be interested to know how you define the precise goals because I mean, often it's not necessary to like lose weight or have waist on so much or look that way, but it might just be in general to stay healthy, have a balance.
Yeah.
How do you define that?
So you can understand that you can't, for example, build muscle and lose weight at the same time because building muscle implies that you have a calorie surplus, whereas if you want to lose weight, you need a deficit. That's the first thing. But you can see that those work all together. So you have to define your goal. As I said, mention the three things. What do you want? For example, if you want to lose weight, I want to lose weight. When do I want to lose weight? What do I have to do? Those three questions on one page, and I guarantee you.
But maybe I didn't phrase my question clearly. But if for instance, it's more that you don't want to lose weight or look a certain way, but it's more about retaining balance or maintaining the status quo, or
So your goal is to be.
Why do you think the goals are so important? What about just recreationally exercising for maybe also a balance to your work or maybe maintaining the status quo? Why do you always need to have
You need a goal. I can answer the question. You need a goal because if you're not improving, you're slowly but surely dying. So you need the goal at the top. If it's improving the health, you have this goal at the top and you're working towards that. If it's slowly, you're still improving. But if you have a time frame, when do you want to reach it? I want to be more balanced, then I say every or twice a week I do yoga, for example, to meditation, mindfulness, for example. Yes. Yeah.
My question is also going along her line of reasoning as well. I like fitness in general as well, and like one of my best friends is a fitness trainer, but she's not doing nothing else but going to the gym. If I follow the same routine, I might get really, really stressed out by having to deal with a stressful job and on top of it go 5 times a week in order to follow whatever some goal. So first question will be how to deal, because we're living in a very materialistic society, everything needs to be better, whatever. Of course it's nice to have a well worked out body, but the pressure of it can also backfire a little bit.
Of course.
Pressure, and a lot of sports people are also dealing with that.
Definitely, absolutely.
And second question is with these, doing fitness is definitely better than carving to have a good body, but also for a woman, if the goal is, for example, to have 10% or 14% weight, it could also backfire in terms of the ability to get pregnant afterwards, because a lot of very good sports women then cannot have any kids. So
small steps, accomplishments to see that you got somewhere. And if the step is small, it's okay. It's still a step towards your ultimate goal. Yes.
So I had another question for the nutrition part.
Okay.
While I was studying, I was also doing quite a lot of workout, and I also tried to follow a nutrition plan. And the nutrition for me was by far the hardest part to really keep in check. So do you have some sort of tip or some sort of advice as to how we can track calories, protein intake, and all that stuff?
I mean, there are a couple of apps where you can track the calories. Of course, no one is willing to do those things. So I try to rely on habits, slowly getting into it, at the beginning, it's of course difficult to eat vegetables. When I say I eat vegetables, but slowly but surely you form those habits, and this is what it's about. This foundation. So, yeah. Okay, last question.
Do you have a particular diet you suggest?
Yeah, that's good.
Excuse me. Do you have a particular?
Diet.
The diet you suggest. There are many diets.
I'm not a fan of low carb. I'm not a fan of low fat or ketogenic or paleo or whatever. But to have those 3 ingredients: protein, carbohydrates, and fats. Clean. For example, you can talk forever about those things, but focus on those 3 things, and that those 3 things are incorporated into your nutrition. Difficult at work, I know, but you have an eye on that, because this is what is clean food. A lot of vitamins as well. Thank you.